Hello, I'm Jace, and this is the all-new 2018 Jeep Wrangler. One of the most exciting new features on this Jeep is the new easy-to-operate soft top. Here's how it works. First, release the two overhead latches, then push up. Next, we're going to fold the top partially back. This is called the Sunrider position. The Wrangler can be driven with the Sunrider open, with the rear windows in, or with them out. To remove the windows, start with the rear panel. Remove the lower tailgate bar retainer with a gentle tug. Then remove the rear window side vertical retainers. Start at the bottom with a small pull and smoothly work your way up to the top. Do this on both sides of the vehicle. Next, pull the tailgate bar towards you to release all remaining tension in the panel. The rear window panel will now slide easily out. For the side window panel, begin at the rear corner of the vehicle. Give the bottom corner of this panel a gentle outward push. Pull the belt line out beginning at the rear and working your way forward. Now that the rear and lower connections are out, gently remove the vertical retainer from the door surround. Now slide the entire window panel out toward the rear. Do the same on the other side of the vehicle as well. To completely fold the top down, all the windows need to be removed like they are now. Now grab the rear latch and release it. And the entire top folds neatly into the cargo area. The last step is to lock the top in place with these switches on both sides. From this point, it's easy to remove the soft top and install the factory hard top. Just unbolt the soft top assembly, remove it from the vehicle, also remove the door surrounds, and now you're ready to install the hard top. When the weather changes, the top goes up as fast as it went down. Notice this unique silhouette with the all-new Wrangler soft top. The new design creates a distinctive safari-style appearance. Everyone is raving about this new look, and it gives you plenty of fresh air, but also full sun coverage. The all-new 2018 Jeep Wrangler has certainly created a hurricane of excitement, and this soft top perfectly complements the larger Wrangler story, open air adventure and freedom. We'll see you on the trails.